So let's begin by working in the model tier by adding pagination to the way we fetch our book objects. So if we go into our book list module, we need to go into our model and we want to go to our book table gateway because that's where our data accessors are. Inside of there, go ahead and find the fetch all, and this is where we initially set up a select that grabs all of the records out of the database. This is where we're going to want to add the pagination piece. Since the fetch all needs a pagination object, we need to actually pass that in. So I'm going to add that as a parameter coming into the fetch all function. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just check to see if we are paginating this request. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and just return our normal table gateway select that we've been doing. And inside here, we need to make sure that we return the paginator object so that we don't accidentally return our default result set. Okay, so adding a paginated query using our table gateway is a little more involved than our basic select. What's happening is we first are creating a select off of our book object. We then are setting up a result set, and ultimately we're creating a paginator adapter that we pass that information into. The nice thing about this is we can reuse our table gateway's adapter, which is the database connection that we've already configured for our application. And then when the result sets are returned, we can store that in a new paginator object, and that's what we're going to return back to the controller rather than the default result set. So we've also added some new objects here, so we need to make sure that we create use or import statements for those. So we'll go ahead and add those up at the top right now.